Okay, first thing we're going to want to do is our safe start. We'll do this by making sure our vehicle is in neutral. Parking brakes are applied. We're going to turn the key to the on position. Let our gauges run through their checks. We're going to step our clutch in and start our truck. Once the engine is running, we're watching our primary and secondary air gauge. We're making sure that it's building air pressure, and I know air pressure is being built because my needles are rising. What we're waiting for is for our air dryer to purge and governor cutout, which is between 120 and 140 psi. On this particular truck, that's at about 125 psi. Okay. At around 80 psi, we're gonna go ahead and release our trailer brake. This being an older model trailer, it takes longer for the air pressure to build. I'm gonna go ahead and raise my RPMs to build air pressure faster. Again, what we're waiting for is governor cutout, which on this truck is at about 125 psi, and also for our air dryer to purge. That'll let us know that our air brake system is fully charged. Okay, that was our air dryer purging around 125 psi. My needles have stopped moving, and that lets me know that the air system is fully charged. So next thing we're going to want to do is chalk our wheels if necessary. We're going to want to go ahead and release our tractor brake and let our air brake system settle. Okay, once our air brake system has settled, we're going to go ahead and turn our truck off and put the key back to the on position. Now we're ready to start our three-step air brake test. First test we're gonna do is we're gonna test for containment and leaking. How we're gonna do this is we're gonna go ahead and step on the service brake, hold it, and after the initial drop, we should not lose more than 4 psi in 1 minute. Okay, our starting air pressure is around 100 psi, so we'll time it for 1 minute and make sure we don't lose more than 4 psi within the 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute has passed. We have not lost more than 4 psi, and our ending air pressure is around 100 psi. This lets me know that there's no air leaks and the air is properly contained in our air brake system. Next, we're gonna test for our low air warning light and buzzer. How I'll do this is I'm gonna fan the service brake, and at around 60 psi, the low air warning light and buzzer should come on. Okay, so at around 60 psi, the low air warning light and buzzer has come on. This lets me know that it is working properly. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and test my emergency pop-out valves. I'll do this by continuing to fan the service brake, and between 20 and 45 psi, the emergency pop-out valves should pop out. Okay, between 20 and 45 psi, my emergency pop-out valves have popped out. This lets me know that it is working properly. And that concludes our three-step air brake test.